Welcome to AKI Logics. Discuss. Sorry. First, we have discussed about the strings, how to represent strings using range and feature data types. So, in this video, this will be a very short video. This will be around 30 minutes. So, this will be very short because is related identifiers. Identifiers. Identifiers are the names of variables, so they can be referenced later on. Identifiers are the names of variables, so that we can refer variables later on all that particular value stored by the variable. They are made up of alphanumerical characters. Alphanumerical characters means nothing but alphabets and the numbers like small a to z and capital A to z and 0 to 9, which are numbers, and along with this we can able to use underscore uh, and dollar symbol. Okay, yeah, is it okay? So how to remember this particular thing? We can also able to use the dollar symbol in variable name. Okay, in C we can able to only use uh, alphabets and numbers along with underscore. But in case of Verilog, in addition to that, can able to use the dollar symbol as well. So they are case sensitive. Or variable names are case sensitive. They can't start with a digit or a dollar sign. Remember this part. So let us see an example integer var underscore a. What is meant by case sensitive is nothing but the small a is not equal to the capital E. Okay, both small a and capital A are different. With case sensitive, we can have more number of combinations to the identifier names. And let us see the examples. Integer var underscore a identifier contains alphabets and underscore valid and dollar var a underscore a, which is an invalid because identifier starts with the dollar sign, which is an invalid identifier name. Where v dollar a or underscore a, which is an invalid identifier, contains alphabets and dollar valid to where is invalid because identifier name starts with the digit. Where 23 underscore j is a valid identifier, contains alphanumerical characters and underscore integer 23. Integer identifier contains only numbers, invalid, and it started with the value 2, right? So identifier shouldn't start with the value q. Okay, yeah, this is all about the video. Let's meet in the next coming video, which is related to the keywords. Okay, bye bye.